Hey folks, so this is day 2 of our front yard transformation. It's a remodel on this home in Torrance, California. Decided that we wanted to put these planter beds right here next to the sidewalk. Somebody asked, well, what if somebody wants to pick your strawberries or tomatoes? I said, great. Hopefully that let them take as much as they want, and hopefully that'll inspire them to do the same thing in their yard. So we need to start a growing revolution. These rocks right here, boulders that were delivered yesterday, we're putting in a waterfall. You can see where the soil has been scalloped. This is how we do it. Tamp it down. We're putting stones in the back. And then we're gonna place them where they're gonna be looking natural. So our coming videos, you'll see this is going to be really cool. Now, there's not going to be any standing water here because we didn't want standing water, especially with little kids in the neighborhood. This is a front yard. So we have the rainwater harvesting boxes, these tanks. They're called eco rain tanks, and you can see they've been covered here. And we're going to actually put half boxes on top of these. They make full and half. And then these are where we're going to house the pumps, the pump vault, as well as a little autofill, so it'll fill up automatically. And the pond, besides just, the waterfall, instead of just a waterfall, we're going to add this Awasa lightning jet. It'll look like that. Really, really cool stuff. So over here, between the two windows, we're going to install these ginormous basalt fountains. God, that one's about 300 pounds right there at least. Anyway, we're going to install those standing up. Over here where these boulders are, the boulders are going to be set into place around the waterfall. Really cool stuff happening. And we're going to put native plants and veggies, the veggie planters, and then to the front door there's going to be pavers. We're going to rip out from this line to the left. We're going to pull out all the concrete there, and we're going to make concrete pavers out of this. Really, really cool stuff happening, and then a concrete patio. Okay, that's about it. Join us for our next video. Take care.